next thing I want to show is like a normal administration related activity. Okay. So a couple of things we are going to see in the state file. The first one is we will talk about how to write a cron job. Okay. So cron job is one of the important activity which administrators do. Okay. How to manage cron jobs using the salt state. And then we need to talk about user management in the servers using the salt stack. Okay. When I talk about user management, you can have a single state file through which you will be able to revoke a user, or if you want to create a user, you can do it. And on particular mission targets, like for example, if the mission group is this, if the mission group is this, I want this user to be available. Those kind of scenarios we are going to cover in it. And adding to that, we are going to talk about how to set up a key-based authentication for the user, because most of the organization uses the key-based authentication. Okay, so this state file will also ensure that the public key of the users are being managed via the salt state and the pillar files. Okay, this is the example we are going to see. And after that, we will be seeing how to write a custom module. So till now we are using the predefined modules which are available in it. So we will be talking about the custom module. In this, we are also going to cover how to have a looping concept in the state file also, because till now we are talking about a if condition, right? So we also need to see how to loop around a particular variable or things. Okay, we will do that. So first, let me start with the managing a cron job. We'll write a state file to have a cron job. Okay. Let me make a directory first. var /srv salt on. So inside the cron, let me create a init.sls. init.sls. Let me create a cron entry. So let's say to in directory. So basically, I'm just going to write a state file which will be deleting the temp directory. Okay, and it will delete the files in the temp directory which are older than 30 days. Let's take that. So in find /tmp hyphen m time file modified time. If it is, then let's say 10 days, we'll delete files which are older than 10 days. Then hyphen exec rm hyphen rf. So this will be the command for my cron entry. Basically, this command will be executed and I'm going to define other parameters. So this command will find any files and directories which are older than 10 days in the temp directory, and it will remove it automatically. Okay. User, I want this to be written for the root user. I need to provide the 5 stars input. So we know that the first star is minute. So run it at 0th minute at 10 AM. Next is day month. Run it on every day, that is star. Month will be every month. A week. field. That is also run it on every day. This will run. This will create a cron entry to run every day at 10 a.m. and this will be executing that. So let us see that first. So before applying this, so now let us connect to the Ubuntu and CentOS. Okay. Tab -L. So no cron tab available on the CentOS. Let me check the same thing for the Ubuntu also. So there is no cron tab available. So let us apply this file. State. I'm just going to give the directory where I think it is completed. So this is the command. If I try to get the cron tab now, I should be able to see an entry here. You can see this is a cron tab entry. Here also in Ubuntu, I should be able to see a cron tab entry. Yes. So this is a simple state file which will be applying the cron for me. Yes. This is the one for specific minion. The host list, you can control it.